Same outfit, same makeup, same hairdo. Yeah. Story of my life. I'm doing a few videos back to back, so you can see this, a few videos if you watch them. Hopefully you do. This video is going to be about my Glossy Box. Yeah. I resubscribed. I subscribe and resubscribe. I like Glossy Box. I missed it, so I resubscribed. So this is the really cute pink box, which I like. I like to use this to store different things in it. Comes in handy. I always save these. So yeah. My name is Janice. So welcome back. And for those who are new, hi. I hope you decide to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Please watch to the end to see if you do. I appreciate that. Also, if you do subscribe, which I hope you do, please hit the notification bell. Very important. I get lost in the YouTube land. Oh yeah. I'd love to hear from you, so leave me a short comment. Alright? Okay, just keep watching and you see what I got in the month of June 2020. Always wrapped explicitly. Am I saying it right? Explicitly. It's always wrapped really pretty. I love cute packaging. Okay, why I'm waiting here because I unwrapped it already and I sneak peeked it. Yeah, it's okay. I mean, it comes with a nice little brochure, which I really like this about this brand. Oh yes, before I forget, this is $21 a month. Okay, so they always give you a pretty good discount for your first box, and if I remember, I'll leave a link below. If I don't remember, just go ahead and Google glossybox.com. I try to remember when I upload these. And see what, you know, what they have a special. They usually do. Okay, this is really cute. This is wrapped with some pink paper. It looks like different maps. It talks about travel. I think we can travel again. And a nice black ribbon. Nice little touches that I enjoy. Yeah. Alright, just untie this baby and open it up. Okay. All these goodies. First thing I'm going to take out of this box. Looks like something from Tony Moly. And it is a peach punch cleansing tissues. There's 8 wipes in it. Those are always handy to have. This is a nice small size, so you can take with you traveling. That's basically what this box is themed after, for things to take while you travel. So it's not a bells and whistles type of box because it's meant for traveling. Yeah, so you know, it's got a theme. So that is nice. And this manufacturer's retail suggested retail price is $7. And this is a deluxe sample. Okay. Usually there are deluxe samples and full size in this box. And you get 5 or 6 items. I think we got 6 this time. Yeah. Alright. And I see a couple little, this is actually a little extra. It's called Extra Treat. A couple little foil packets It's a high-five facial moisturizer and a high expectation facial oil. Again, this is intended to travel, to throw in your bag. So it's in a nice, easy packaging so you can go bye-bye with it. Oh, I just realized one's an oil and one's a moisturizer, so they're definitely samples, okay? So I didn't realize that just now. Oh, it's a cannabis facial moisturizer. Oh, okay. 20% cannabis seed oil. I'll be darned. And then the oil is cannabis seed oil. Okay, that's seed oil, cannabis seed oil, and both, and something else here, which I can't pronounce. Yeah. And the full size price of these items. The oil is $54 and the moisturizer is $40. Now the moisturizer in the full size is 50 mils and the facial is 30 mils. And of course, these are just samples. So don't get your feathers in a tuffle. And we got ourselves a vitamin C energizing mask. So when you're relaxing there in the evening after you had a day out on the beach, a night out for dinner, you can come in, take a hot bath, a jacuzzi. Some of these hotels have nice jacuzzis. And give yourself a nice facial. I'm dreaming of that. Man, I need this. I need a trip. I don't know about you guys, but I need it, okay? I want it and I need it. This is a full size and wow, $18, okay. And it's vitamin C, so that's nice. Okay. And we got another tube here. It's, what are you? Nourishing Probiotic Gel Cream. This is a deluxe mini size. It's by Corel's. It's a Greek yogurt nourishing probiotic gel cream. Okay. And it's safety sealed, so I don't want to open it because I'm going to save it for my next trip. I'm planning to go somewhere here this summer, either end of July or August. I need to cut my bangs. It's driving me crazy. So, yeah, definitely gonna take these items. This is rich in collagen, protein, and it's a Greek moisturizer. It's perfect for reducing redness and adding a plump bounce to your skin that lasts all day. So it's a cream. And we got some from Model Co. And this is, I think, yeah, it's an eyeshadow. I've had a few of these before, other subscription boxes. And I think I did. Anyway, this looks nice. It's really pretty. So that's nice to throw in your bag and give yourself a little bit of glow on your eyeballs. Let's do it this way. It's a pretty, kind of a champagne color. And this is, what are you, full size? I think it is. Yeah. And the suggested retail price is $19. And this is from Australia. It's a velvety eyeshadow. It delivers color in a single swipe and dries almost instantly to lock in a weightless shine. Okay. Yeah. I like that. And this thing here is tiny. What are you? Lip or something? Can't pronounce it. It is a deluxe mini. It's a liposome serum. It is engineered to time release layer by layer. It hydrates your skin from within, promoting powerful renewal while minimizing the appearance of fine lines. This is a nice box. I really like it for the theme. I understand why we're getting what we're getting. So with that in mind, I think it's very nice. Like I said, I really like Glossy Box. You never know. It's always something a little different. I enjoy this subscription. I don't know why I quit for so long. I don't know why, but I don't want to quit anymore. I want to keep it up. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, I'll try to find that link to this website. I don't get anything for it. I don't think I do. Maybe Glossy points. I think I get that. But anyway, it's just points to save, to give you a discount on other products. It doesn't matter. That's not why I'm giving you the link if I give it to you. It's just to help you out there if you're interested. Alright, again, please subscribe and like this video and hit that notification bell so you will see me in my next video. Okay, that's very important. And also comment. Alright, I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful day or evening wherever you are in this world. And you stay safe and healthy. Bye.